Hey guys, it's Dewie here. I'm just checking in with you guys. This is an extremely important video, but before I get into that, I just wanted to show you some of the stuff we're working on, some of the videos that are coming out very soon.
Driver had to come down. Doing great.
However, this video is probably one of the most important videos I have made, especially if you love Moab, if you care about Moab, if you've wheeled there, you definitely need to watch it. We definitely need your help. It's a tough one for me to get into because I can't believe this is actually happening. But what I do want to refer you to is Marcus Trusty's video from Core.
That's what's so frustrating about this, is that we already lost a huge amount of roads and trails here. That wasn't good enough. And again, I can't stress that enough. It will never be enough.
But these are trails that people in non-Wranglers, people in less capable vehicles can go, and they are absolutely stunning. I personally want to take my Jeep Liberty on these trails. I want to do multi-day trips in this area, and it has me just really nervous that I'm not going to be able to take the Liberty there, but more importantly, I'm not going to be able to take my parents there. This area is so beautiful, and my parents have expressed that they want to come out here and see some of these sites for themselves. And like, they want to go to Moab, but what am I going to do? I can't show them Moab if we have to hike in there, if we have to do anything else like that. So these trails are incredible. All right, we need to tell the BLM that we care about these trails, that we don't want any of these trails lost. By October 7th, we need to give a comment to the BLM. Now, what I did is I emailed the BLM directors or the BLM people responsible for this, and I'm going to put all that on the screen. That should be on the screen already, but basically just write a comment saying who you are, what you do, how you recreate, what other stuff you do, and include this stuff on there. It took 5 to 10 minutes at most. I wrote a really long one, describing everything here and how important these trails are to me, and I think they're important to you guys too, because I think this is all trails you want to see. I mean, it's 7 Mile Rim, Wipeout Hill, there's a Golden Spike, there's Where Eagles Dare. I mean, these are like big name trails, and they're trails that many of us can do. So please take the time. Let's save Moab. Let's save these trails. We've already lost a bunch of trails in Moab in 2008. Let's not lose anymore. Thanks for watching. I'll have some trail videos for you guys coming soon. Really good ones. You're gonna love it. You're gonna want to hit these trails, and the stories are really great. Might be some of our best stuff yet. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.